Hello and welcome to 1605 Main Nearham Road, Nearham South. I'm Brendan Van Eyck from Harcourts, Warragul. Let's go check it out.
Situated on nearly 2 acres, approximately 100 kilometres from Melbourne CBD. Discover a recently updated main residence consisting of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a study. The property also offers a second dwelling with 2 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. Located just 4 kilometres from all the conveniences of Nearham South, whilst also providing a serene rural hideaway to withdraw to, this outstanding oasis is sure to impress.
Thank you for taking the time to inspect the property. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me on the details below. Otherwise, I'll see you at the next open home.